When you think about a baked spud, you think about how crispy it is. And I'm going to show you the Swedish way of baking spuds. These are baby spud lights. You can see how small they are, which means they're going to take no time at all to go crispy in the oven. And the trick to making a Hasselback, so that's the Swedish way of baking them, is to place the potato between two chopsticks. Then what we're going to do is cut thin slits along the top of the potato. Now, having this chopstick here ensures that we don't go all the way through the potato, meaning it'll fall apart. We don't want that to happen. We want it to stay intact. So just cutting down to the chopsticks ensures that we get a really deep slit, but not breaking up the potato. Now, by doing this, what's going to happen is this potato is going to fan out, leaving us really thin, crispy slices. So I'm going to continue doing this with the rest of the potatoes, pop them in a baking dish. I'm using duck fat because it tastes so good on baked potatoes, and lots of salt. These will bake in the oven, 200 degrees for 20 minutes. I can't wait to show you the results of these. How good are these potatoes? Not any type of potato, a Hasselback baked potato. And they look like little accordions, and you can see each layer is super crispy. These are so yum as is, just with the duck fat and salt. But you can take this even further by adding some cheese to the top of it, some crumbed bacon, or even some breadcrumbs for extra crispiness. Such a good roast potato.